episode of
Plant Pirates.
Yeah, that's right. I'm your Captain Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we going to get them?
Landscape debris piles.
That's right, y'all. Today is landscape debris pickup day in our community, so we're going to sail around in our golf cart here looking for free plants. You can see Teddy and I got up real early. The stars are still out. So it's dark. The video quality will improve as we go along, but we're going to get going because somebody else is out to get our plants. Who is it?
The British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, aka the Waste Management Landscape Debris Trucks. If they come along and crush up all of our plants if we don't get to them first. So like I said, we're going to get going here, and we'll get back with you if we get something good. So it's pretty dark out here. Hopefully we'll be able to see the plants, eh, bud?
Yeah.
We've dealt with the darkness before. I didn't bring a flashlight today, but we'll be able. Oh, here's some plants right here. Got anything good in these? It's like a bunch of clippings. All right, well, we'll deal with the darkness, and I bet you we're gonna get something good today. All right, we just rolled up on our first prize here. Let's see if I can get a light on it with the golf cart. Yeah. All right, Dracaena. Wouldn't be plant pirates without Dracaena. All right, popping in the back, kiddo. That's one we can easily plant from cuttings. All right, so there's our competition at the end of the street there. They've already gotten all the cans on the right side of the road here, but there's still plenty on the left side. They're turning around in this cul-de-sac, so we're gonna zoom up there and then head back in front of them and see if we can't get something good out of all these piles before they pick them up. We got several bins of clusia here. This is also known as the autograph plant because you can take a nail or your fingernail or something and write your name in one of these leaves, and it'll stay in the leaf until the leaf dies. But this is an easy one to plant from cuttings, so we'll grab up a couple pieces of this. All right, here's a couple nice tea plant cuttings.
Are they
cuttings or?
Sister?
Yeah, I think it's the red sister. Are they cuttings or do they have roots? Let's see. It looks like they are cuttings. All right, they look good though. Let me see that up close. Nice. That's another easy one to root from cuttings. So we will grab these up for sure. All right, we got a nice bin here of variegated Song of India. Yet another one that's easy to plant from cuttings. So we will definitely grab that up. Nice. All right, we got some Monstera and some Croton cuttings in here, but really I'm looking at this ficus right here. It's rubber tree cuttings. That is a super easy one to plant from cuttings. Super easy. It looks like kind of a toasty, toasty specimen, but I think it will still survive.
Yeah, we've had ones in like a pile that's been there for like 3 months.
Yeah.
I bet it's still there.
Yeah, and they survived. So.
Yeah.
All right, cool. We'll grab that up for sure. All right, here is a pile of snake plants, and they have roots on them. That's great. I'm pretty sure we can root this one without roots, but these have plenty of roots on them. You want to grab some of those up, kiddo?
Yeah.
I have a big handful of those. These are a great extra for the garden. They add a different, I don't know, texture or leaf shape, I guess, to the garden. But all right, and they got nice roots on those. Sweet.
Yeah.
We'll definitely grab a couple of those. All right, here's a bin of Dracaena, a different kind. You want to grab that up?
Yeah.
Show everybody what we got.
Dragon tree.
Yeah, some people call this the dragon tree. Oh, these are some nice cuttings.
Yeah.
And they will root from cuttings too, so we will definitely save those from the trash. All right, here's a little banana pup right here. I don't know, who knows what the variety is. It does have some roots on it. Oh, that's savable for sure. We're definitely saving that. All right, sweet. All right, I thought this was all just clippings and palm fronds, but we spotted some Plumeria right there. Who knows what color flowers it has, but it will root from cuttings, so we will save that one from the trash for sure. All right, we just rolled up on some beautiful bromeliads there. Pull them up, let me see them. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them too, nice. So these look a little toasty too, but we will definitely take them because they'll shoot off
Look,
new
this
pups
one
for
already
us.
flowered, so it's going to shoot off a pup any
Definitely.
day now.
All right, we're definitely saving those from the trash. All right, looks like we have some irises here. A whole bunch of them. Do they have roots? Do they have roots? Yes, they do have roots. So we will save some of these from the trash as well. All right, we got some good stuff in these cans here. You want to hop out to them? We got some bromeliads right over here, and then we got some mini philodendrons right here. Sweet. Where are the bromeliads?
Right here.
Oh, nice. Okay. So we'll grab up some of these bromeliads and some of those philodendrons too. All right, we made it back to the house. Yeah. It was freezing, wasn't it? Oh. Teddy's lips are still blue.
They are?
They look blue.
Yeah, my lips always get blue in it.
All right, y'all, we're dealing with some noise from some construction next door, so we're gonna have to just deal with that. And
yeah.
Oh, here it comes again. We're just gonna have to deal with the noise. But what did we get? We got some good stuff today.
So let's start with the banana.
That might be my favorite find of the day. We collect banana varieties.
We have like 37.
Yeah, we have, you can see all these bananas here are different varieties of bananas. Who knows what variety this is, but it looks like it's a big one because that's just a pup right there.
Yeah, like, you can tell by, look, its leaves are only like that thin, yet it's already like this
Yeah,
tall.
It's already as tall as Teddy. So that's gonna be a big variety,
probably,
whatever it is.
It could be, because it's probably not like a super special kind if they're throwing it away. Could be like a praying hands.
Yeah,
we'll
praying
find
hands,
out if it's bananas.
Praying hands, or maybe a, I don't know. It could be one of the, it's definitely one of the larger varieties.
Yeah.
I doubt it's a Saba. Praying hands would be a good guess.
Saba, the pups like this.
Yeah, probably, yeah. But I'm stoked about that one for sure, so. Yeah. All right, what else you got, kiddo?
We got, this might be my favorite.
Oh, yes. We got several, we got two of those, right? These little dwarf philodendrons. Where's the other one here? We got one, we got another one somewhere, right? Here it is, down here. Right down here. There we go. And you can see these don't really have many roots on them, but we've planted one just like this before, and it survived.
All right,
with the same base.
It's still over there.
Yeah, so those will survive planting them just like that. What else you got, bud?
We've got snake plant.
Snake plant, yes. Like I said, this one, I like this one because it just adds a different texture in the garden.
It's a wide leaf variety.
Yeah, and the leaves
We got two varieties, too.
Yeah, we do. We have 2 or 3 varieties, actually.
No, I mean, today we did.
We did?
It looks like it.
Maybe. I think that's the same variety.
Okay.
It's just, yeah, I think that's all the same variety. We got a couple of those, though, right?
Yeah, this is the last one in this bin, but there's a few in the other bin.
Kind of cool. Their roots kind of look like carrots.
Yeah, I know.
This is a Dracaena. This is one that you can plant without roots, but you're better to have roots. You can see this one flowered. It's probably why they tore these out. They're getting long and gangly, but we're going to plant them because they will shoot off new little plants too for us.
Just like Vermilions.
Yeah. All right. What else? What else?
Speaking of Vermilions, we've got one of our...
Oh, we got 2 different varieties of bromeliads. Yeah. So this one, I was real excited about. You can see this one gets kind of reddish.
Yeah, we
green
have
leaves.
some nice examples in our garden.
Do you know where they are?
Yeah, there's... I think.
You think?
Yeah,
sure?
I don't want to take you guys on a wild goose
Okay, all right. Well, yes, we do have Teddy's right though. We already have this variety. But I just love this one. It's a nice medium or smaller size bromeliad, and like I said, it gets like these kind of reddish, pinkish, like striations through the leaves. Just such a cool variety of bromeliad. We have another bromeliad back there, I see, bud. You want to grab those?
Yeah.
They're on the seat.
These are spiky, but not like super spiky. They're gonna get big.
I'll get this one. Yeah, these are probably a medium to larger variety. You can see they do have some killer spikes on them there.
I've noticed smaller varieties tend to have either no spikes or tiny spikes.
Or less spikes, gotcha.
And the big varieties, like, never seen a big vermilion without spikes.
Yeah.
We have some purple ones that are like a saw blade.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, for sure. You could slice a fish in half with those. Yeah. But these look pretty sorry, but they will shoot up little pups for us. So that's why we grab them. We'll put this in the ground, you know, off to the side somewhere, and it'll look sorry, but for a while, but then it'll shoot off new plants for us, so.
Okay.
What we got next? We got Plumeria. Plumeria, again, who knows?
You see this every time.
Who knows what color flowers this is gonna have?
Probably yellow.
Yeah, the whitish yellow ones.
But we hope it's orange.
Yeah. What are they doing? They're sawing that house in half over there? Who knows? All right. What's next?
This is the dragon tree.
Dragon tree. Now these are some nice cuttings of Dracaena right here. I mean, that is a fresh, nice looking cutting right there. And these are cool. They got little red outlined.
They're like Christmas.
They are kind of like Christmas.
Look underneath too.
Yeah.
How like cool they are.
They are. That's a nice one. Let's put these maybe over here. Yeah.
Okay, next, tea plants.
Well, you got two things there, kiddo. You got two things. Look up.
Oh.
Let's first, before we do the tea plants, let's just go ahead and do this Dracaena real quick. Here, you get the tea plant. Yeah. So this is another dragon tree. Or another Dracaena. You can see this one's a little different. The leaves actually look very similar, except for this one has smaller leaves and this one has bigger leaves.
This one actually might be the dragon tree, and this.
I think this is
different.
the dragon tree.
Okay.
And that's just a nickname for them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, all right, tea plant.
Wouldn't be plant pirates without tea.
It wouldn't be. So this would be, I think, the red sister. This is the a common variety.
Not the Auntie Lou.
No, I don't think it's the Auntie Lou. It could be. There's an Auntie Lou we have back there.
Yeah. I'm just thinking, look at this.
Yeah, it could be. It's either the Auntie Lou or the red sister. The red sister is your common, the variety you find at your average, big box nursery. They sell Auntie Lou's too, though.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I think this is the red sister, though.
Yeah. It would make sense.
I think it's the red sister. That's just my guess. But
I was just looking at this.
Mm-hmm. What else we got in there?
The autograph plant, Chefalera.
Autograph plant. Is it way up? There it is. Yeah, okay. So like we were saying earlier, this is called an autograph plant because you can take your fingernail or a nail or screw and write your name in these leaves, and it will stay on the leaf for as long as the leaf lives. And this is a really cool plant. A lot of people use these as a privacy hedge in our area. They'll get to be real big, but they kind of look like a succulent. The leaves are real thick, and I don't know. When we first moved here, I was really struck by this plant. I really like it. I don't know why. I just really like it. So, all right, we got an iris here. I believe this is an iris, like a bearded iris. And it doesn't have any flowers on it right now, but these get beautiful little flowers. They almost look like orchids, the flowers. So I definitely wanted to grab those. And it's got these nice variegated leaves too. Anything else?
Yep, Song of India.
Wouldn't be Plant Pirates without some Song of India, variegated Song of India. I like this one.
Yeah, I love it.
It adds such a splash of color in the garden. It's such an easy one to root from cuttings.
It's kind of slow growing.
Yes, it's slow to root. It's slow to root, and it's slow growing in the beginning, and then it takes off for sure.
We have neighbors where they have non-variegated. It's like as tall as our house.
Yep, it's another one you can use as a privacy hedge here in Central Florida.
I couldn't imagine having a privacy hedge of that.
Yeah.
That would just be insane.
It'd be cool. Is that everything?
Nope, we've got two more things. One is a ficus.
Oh, yep, the rubber tree. It's kind of a sorry cutting. This is probably the easiest thing I've ever tried to plant from cuttings. We've had 100. Yeah, I mean, yeah. This one we've had 100% success rate with. Just grows like a weed, and that will get to be a massive tree if you let it. It would take up this whole area basically if you let it.
But this we don't really tend to have.
Oh yeah, yeah. So I threw this in here. Crotons, you can root from cuttings. Have not been very successful with it, but I also don't. Usually when we say root from cuttings, all we do is stick it right in the ground. Yeah. We don't use root hormone.
Maybe if the plant's lucky, we stick it in a jar of water.
Yeah, right. But we don't do a lot. It's easy. There's several videos on YouTube about how to root crotons from cuttings, and it's pretty easy to do. You could root this cutting. You can also cut these stems into pieces and get the stems to shoot off. Get each piece to shoot off roots, and then you have several plants.
Yeah, I'm sure tea plants you could do that too.
You probably can. Yeah.
We've taken like we've cut a tea plant or just seen a short and then planted that stick and it eventually shot off leaves.
Yeah. So all right, cool. We started out slow and cold here this morning, but we got a lot of good stuff. What's your favorite thing, bud?
Oh, definitely this.
The little mini. Why do I keep forgetting the name? Mini. Philodendrons right here. Yeah, I would say that either this is my favorite find or the banana. Yeah.
Well, this one's white.
Oh yeah, it is. All right, cool. All right, y'all. Well, if you have any questions or comments about any of the plants we found today, just post down below. If you enjoyed the little adventure here, maybe you'd consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. And if they don't, what's gonna happen, bud?
You're gonna get hit on the head with the bowling ball.
No, you're gonna get hit on the head with the bowling ball, and of course that's gonna hurt. So maybe just consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. Till next time, everybody out there, take care.